Hello and welcome to Programming Fundamentals using C++ course. Well, this course is intended to be for absolute beginners. Before we start the programming, you have to download IDE. Well, IDE is abbreviation for Integrated Development Environment. We will download a well-known IDE called codeblocks. Hit enter. Well, this is the official website of codeblocks. Go to downloads. Okay, we will download the binary release. Here you will choose your operating system, if you have Windows, Linux or Mac. So if you have Windows, I recommended you to download this version. If you have Windows 64-bit. If you have Windows 32-bit, I recommended to download this version here from this site or this site. If you have Linux, download one of these versions. If you have Mac, you have to download this version only. Okay, after that you have to install codeblocks on your computer. Well, the installation process is very simple. Just keep everything as default as they are. After you install the program on your computer, we will run the program, create a new project. We will choose console application. We will programming in C++. Project title, choose any name you want. A, for example. Hit next, finish. Okay, this is the project A. So main.cpp, double click. Okay, this is the first project we have created. In the next lesson, we will explain every single line of code. Thank you.